Hi investors, it's Bernice with TurnkeyInvest.com, and today we are in the peaceful town of Millington in the 38053 taking a look at 4390 Annie Mae Cv. This home is listed at $219,900 and it is a 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's go take a look. Now this home is a fully rehabbed home. It has beautiful landscaping out front, driveway up to your garage. It is a 2-car garage. Cute paint out front. Kind of reminds me of like a gnome's home. Alright, cute little walkway up to the entrance. Welcome home. On the inside, I can immediately notice this new paint. Wood laminate flooring in the living room. Looks like a gas fireplace. There's a coat closet next to the main entrance door. Wire rack shelving. I'm going to go ahead and take you directly into the bedrooms. This wood laminate flooring flows through the halls, and then there are carpet in the bedrooms. This is carpet number 2. I'm at bedroom number 2. Spacious, enough room for full bed, dresser. The closet features, it has bifold doors, carpet that flows into the closet, large closet, wire rack shelving up top. We go back down the hall, take a left, we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 also has carpet. Has a fresh, clean look to it. Also, I would say a full bed with a dresser would fit nicely in here. You could probably cram another one. Honestly, I don't know if it would be cramming. You could probably fit another one in here. Same closet and size, well, a little bit smaller than bedroom number 2. As we exit this bedroom, I will show you the shared bath. The shared bath has a new tile, it looks like. Beautiful vanity. Full bath. Next to the full bath, there is a linen closet with wire rack shelving. And directly across from the full bath, you have the HVAC system. Continue down the hall and we have the primary bed. Very spacious primary. I would say a queen, 2 dressers, probably. Alright, primary bath. It is a full bath. Tile flooring, large vanity. Bathtub and toilet have a privacy door. Closet for the primary. Carpet in there, features wire rack shelving. Now let's go take a look at the kitchen. It is an eat-in kitchen. We have a beautiful nook prepared right here for a dining table. Right across from your dining area, we have the washer and dryer hookup, which is Concealed behind bifold doors. Wire rack shelving up top. We have a pantry closet right next to that. Now let's go take a look at the garage. Large garage. You could fit 2 cars in here and probably a workbench. All your tools. They do have the water heater in the garage, which I love. In case of any leaks. Now, headed outside. We have a spacious backyard, fenced in for privacy and security. Lots that you can do out here, outdoor activities, gardening, relaxation. Cute little patio area for some chairs. Give you a full pan of the backyard here. In the back of the house. So Millington is a well thought out area for investors, mainly because the people here take care of their homes. They're hardworking people who are known to be great tenants. They pay the rent on time and take care of their home, mainly because a lot of families live here and it's peaceful, quiet. All right, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any further questions about this property or need help building your portfolio or buy box, please feel free to reach out to my team at turnkeyinvest.com. Bye.